guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know it's been a while I uploaded, so today I'm giving you a vlog. We're going to Leicester from London, okay? So guys, see you later. I'm gonna show you around. Bye bye.
Hello, happy bank holiday. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. It's a banger. All right. What do you know about that? See.
Yeah, so my brother is coming.
Hey babe.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. Yeah, we're going to
Leicester.
Yay.
London to Leicester trip.
Okay.
Everyone listen to what I did because I am gaslighting, okay? Open your ears. 3, 2, 1.
So guys, after a long journey, we decided to stop here to, freshen up, yeah, because, quite long journey.
What? One Jamilaya. Send on your body na fire. I know you fly, but I can take you higher. From head to toe, she wear designer. Original, babe, not made in China. She say na me her heart desire. Oh, no forget, now she be fine. We've just reached the end. We just reached everyone. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. I've actually enjoyed this one as well.
I'm about to kill it. Okay. Now do the beat jazzy. Another banger. Hey, are you ready? I said, are you ready? Shake a bum bum, shake a bum bum, shake a bum bum, shake a bum bum, shake it. Woo! Gone in love with your booty bounce. Gone in love with your booty bounce. In love with your booty bounce. Gone in love with your booty bounce. I'm in love with your.
Yeah, so I have to end this video. We're finally at our destination. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.